now. So why they run?
If you want to call, you go to waka well, not the show.
Kokonale you. For binale me waka.
Okay. Wait. Go.
If you don't repent, fire go down.
Let's not follow you.
Nobody follow me. Okay. I understand. You don't already die. See, like this now, water don't pass Gary.
When you face your Christmas pressure, you go pack the light for inside to water. So you come carry water for your garden, there no water for you.
Guy, pressure won't kill me. See, I did for big wahala like this now. Christmas pressure you won't just finish my life.
You never see anything.
If you see the list when take a break comes,
God,
see Christmas expenses. My guy, I run for my life.
You never see anything.
For inside the list, I see something like 1 point something million. Close. Another top, I see 6 point something million. Damn, I see 6. Damn, I'm sure they see 6 point something million.
You never see anything.
I was like, this guy just say, I be Dangote. I be a Rezebo Adeleke. This pressure won't kill me.
I die now. So you gotta wait for. Not go you die. You're the key, not go die. So,
guy, why you do like this now?
I don't say to my you go say you said no said you got the pressure. Talk.
See the people give me solution. It's like a water.
I don't want to tell you before you say you don't go do. So you want to she cannot use the pressure me. So got the pressure me. You die now. So no, we don't want to die. Go pay. You are not saying man, they focus like this. I don't want you to call the pressure me the journal again. So, what kind of pressure the company? But also my also I deal with my own. What they face now, they face my own. So they are not the bring all the so which can't be now. I give you like say you don't want to do. Call the pressure me the journal. But if you want to die now, you not fit die. You may never die before.
You know what will happen? Even this pressure, if he came and live my life,
you go die now.
So it's better I just don't say I don't die. You don't get this pressure.
Okay, you go die, but you no go die. You go die, but you no go die.
I go die.
Why you talk? You what you go do? You go there and dey peaceful now. So that if they waka come meet you yourself.
Some of you are just evil.
So when I die,
I go. You know. Now me want to ask. Now me want die or die.
Have mercy on that.
You never see anything.
Tell them say I don't die. You put that for Facebook, for those Twitter, those things. Put that say you don't die. Oh, comment put RIP. Man, don't close now.
Some of you are just evil.
Okay, I go die tomorrow. How about those children for us? I won't go do them.
See, make I just tell you, now my guy, me not bless how they lose God do. So one die now, you carry like 2 guys wey go the corner. They don't ready to die. Go tell them see once you don't die. They go carry you come out. So they don't go bury you. You know that kind of thing. They go carry you come here.
If you don't repent, fire go damage your
life. The brain they work
sharp brain.
This
your calculation is sharp.
I get enough bread for your biscuit.
Your calculation is sharp.
Gala,
oh. That one a better calculation with that. That tomorrow, after Christmas, I resurrect.